All right, we start with a beautiful view from Luther Family Ford looking off to the east, and that is a nearly full moon that we see in the sky over there. It is cold already. Temperatures continue to fall as we head into the overnight hours. It looks like the coldest night of the period as we head into the overnight hours. Feels like 8 below with a thermometer reading of 5 above. We have winds that are under 10 miles per hour. They're from the west. Take a look at this cold air mass. It is really centered over the northern plains here. It's diving all the way south into Texas, where Frisco is freezing tonight. Yeah, hopefully a lot here in the valley. Planning on making a trip down to Frisco later. Maybe it'll warm up by then, but for now it is bitter cold. Langdon 0, 1 below the actual air temperature in Bemidji, 9 for Wahpeton, 5 in Gwinner, and 1 in Valley City. And here's a look at those wind chill or feels like temperatures on exposed skin. And it's now in the teens below for many in central Minnesota and northeast North Dakota. It's frigid out there and very cold for this time of the year. As we take a look at the big picture, not a lot of weather unsettledness in the upwind part of the picture, but we do have a chance of some snow in the forecast as early as tomorrow. But for tonight, no snow, clear skies, light winds, and with the fresh ice crystals that are on the ground, a pretty good combination for rapidly cooling temperatures. Already near zero by 10 o'clock. Overnight, we'll see these temperatures dip down below zero. But something interesting happens by morning. The wind begins to pick up with the approach of a system from the west. That should help keep our western counties from getting too cold. The best chance at zero and sub-zero readings will be from the Red River into western and central Minnesota. And record lows this time of the year between 5 and about 10 below. So I don't think we'll see a lot of records broken, but we'll certainly challenge them in many locations as we begin our Tuesday on an untoasty note. Through the morning hours, we'll see a few high clouds press in, but the biggest thing we'll notice, some brutal winds. They'll be from a warmer direction from the south, but these yellow colors here indicating those winds will be 15 to 25 miles per hour, maybe a few gusts higher than that. That's going to make these chilly temperatures feel quite brutal. Even though the thermometers will be rising into the 20s for the afternoon, the wind will make it feel very unpleasant for many of us with increasing clouds as we drive home on our Tuesday. Now, by Tuesday night, there'll be a chance for some snow showers developing in the central Dakotas. Our best chance of snow showers here in the valley hold off till Wednesday, but for our western counties late Tuesday night, we could see some slippery flakes flying down. 4:57, the time of sunset for your day tomorrow. We rise and shine with very cold temperatures in the single digits. We rise only into the mid-20s at best with winds gusting to 25 or 30 miles per hour. It will be wind chilly all afternoon long. Here's a look at the warmest weather. It will be in the Southern Valley and James River Valley, mid-20s there. Elsewhere, upper teens to low 20s on a very chilly and breezy day with increasing clouds. And if this squirrel were smart, be gathering as many nuts as he can find. And I think that's what many are doing around the area, trying to prepare for this what seems like very early onset of wintry conditions. There's good news in the planning forecast. Yes, Andrea, good news. 29 on Wednesday with a chance of those flakes I mentioned. But after that, I mean, look at this. 35 degrees, Mike, should have you outdoors hanging holiday lights. 36 on Friday. We'll have you putting candy canes out in the front yard.
You have us beaten down that we don't. If we were to get into a system where there was more upbeat weather, then we'd be right on you.
Okay. Yeah. Well, I'm going to keep trying. That's all I can do.
That's all you can do, right? Yeah. Thanks.